today on Bring Your Own Ice. Bring Your Own Ice. We're going to do a Port of Spain. We're going to do a new drink. This is our creation. Never thought of it before. Never done before. And we're going to take port wine. And then we're going to take some Trinidadian punchin. A little bit of coconut, a little bit of guava, and we're going to make our own concoction. And we're going to call it the Port of Spain. Tally's sister asked us to try some port. We tried it. I liked it. I'm not so much a fan of it.
Diabetes in a bottle.
I mean, you had the other sweet one before. You liked it.
That's diabetes in a
But
bottle.
this one is super sweet. This is almost dessert-like. And we're trying to think of what would go well. Guava is a nice, subtle fruit, but it balances out the sweetness. So today we're going to go Port of Spain. The first thing we're going to do is take some ice, because how Caleb said you got to bring your own. He called it hashtag BYOI, BYOI. And then we're going to do an ounce. So we're going to stop it right about there.
Purchase your tracks today.
Maybe a little bit less. Port. Here, we're gonna go a shot of punchin. Or not punchin, a shot of coconut broth. Shot of punchin, you won't remember anything else after that. Funny story, when we just got back from Trinidad, I was working at a bar downtown, and one of my regulars said he didn't remember the last time he had a drink that knocked him on his ass. So I brought some famous punchin. I gave him 2 shots. He didn't remember the rest of the evening. So we're only gonna do a quarter of an ounce, half ounce of that. You can call me a wimp. This is Americanized.
But if they want to recreate the drink,
Then flip-flop the portions on their own.
no, they could still use the same thing, but for punching, they just use Bacardi 151 because that's the equivalent.
Bacardi 151, and then we're going to do
Purchase your tracks today.
a shot of guava, which is like
Guava.
Sorry, I said it.
Guava.
Guava.
Shots, man.
Okay. Transcends wherever you go. Guava.
Can't even say it right.
Go to say it right. I'm gonna try that. And then we're gonna squeeze in half a lime, maybe a whole lime, depending on how much juice you got. The lime, it'll cut the taste of, it'll cut the wine, the like bittery tannin of the wine. It'll kind of cut a little bit of the afterburn of the punchin.
Here's another question.
Yes.
Would we add bitters to this?
You could add bitters to this. I haven't tried it in this one. But
A
bitters,
dash or 2?
like probably a dash. The bitters would cut the punchin.
Purchase your
The
tracks
sweetness.
today.
It might be shake.
Ooh, I can smell it from here.
Come on! There we go. Can you guys smell?
I can smell the guava.
Oh yeah, it smells really nice. Alright.
And the tartness from the lime.
A little bit more ice. Now here's where the fun begins.
Purchase your tracks today.
Can I make a fool of myself? Oh my goodness. See, I've only drinking. I've only had this to drink when it's already done in juice form like this.
He said, "Oh my
I'm
god!"
slicing right down. This is a how-to video, guys. It goes on YouTube under the how-to category, so you may as well how-to it. You gotta shake the camera too much.
I'm sorry.
Sorry, sis. I'm trying.
He's
But so,
Yeah, go ahead.
All right.
You said, oh my goodness. He's been-
Guava.
Oh my god.
They might look at me like, what in the bloody bleep love are you doing?
Taste it first. You never had it before. What are you doing?
See? Rimming it like lime.
Purchase your tracks
Sounds like a
today.
pear. Sorry. Alright. So. Don't give me that.
He's rimming the glass with a piece of guava.
Yup.
Oh my
Don't you dare give
god.
me that look.
That's awesome.
I'm trying so hard.
He said, oh my goodness again. Oh, that's awesome. Sorry for shaking the camera, guys.
Quarter Spain.
I forgot the sugar cubes.
Oh, I did. You gotta garnish it with sugar because rum is made from sugar.
Purchase your
Ooh,
tracks
no.
today.
Quarter Spain.
Port of Spain.
Am I tasting it?
Yes.
Are you tasting it? It's tart. It's not too sweet.
It smells like home. Oh my
And you
god.
don't even taste the port that much.
There's so
It's
many
pure
memories
guava. It's
just
pure
smelling this.
guava.
Shut up. You're making me rethink the way I say it.
Purchase your tracks today.
Gives me so many memories of back home. Oh, I want to go in.
Soon. Just drink it. Drink wise, how is it?
It's good start.
Doesn't taste too sweet. You don't get too much of the port. You could always add.
I don't taste the diabetes.
You could always add extra diabetes. Extra diabetes, if you wanted to. Did you taste the coconut?
The coconut rum? Don't taste anything. Great taste. I get the kick from the puncheon.
Yeah. But you taste puncheon and guava. It tastes like Trinidad.
Purchase your tracks today.
Alright, well. Eventually I'll be able to drink more. But until then, you're nice.